Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Shannon and I love rocks and gemstones, and tumbling rocks is one of my favorite hobbies. And today I'm going to show you my entire process of tumbling yellow jasper from start to finish. And so I'm going to show you from rough through all of the different stages to the final finished product. And at the end of the video, I'm going to then post the timeline and the recipe that I used to get these nice shiny results. Now, yellow jasper is one of the many colors of the jasper family. And you can find it in red and green, and then a myriad of multicolored options like ocean jasper, picture and Picasso jasper. There are so many varieties of jasper, and you can get it pretty much in any color. And especially the multicolored jaspers are so pretty, but these, the solid ones, are also really phenomenal. And this gold and yellow jasper is really stunning. And jasper is a wonderful stone to start with if you're a beginner, because it is a hard stone. It's not going to wear away too quickly. It's very forgiving, and it takes a really high shine. So your end results are really satisfying. So let's get started. Let me show you the rough. All right, what we're adding new today is yellow or golden jasper. And this is really pretty. I have a fondness for yellow jasper. I just really think it's lovely. And this is part of the rough that I recently got from the rock shed and showed in the unboxing video. And I thought I would throw that in today. So let's get this tucked in its barrel and get it started on course. Here is the yellow jasper after 1 week in course. And wow, this is looking really, I love this shade of yellow. And look, here it's mixed in with a little red. Just a great variation here. But it clearly needs more course because it's still really jagged looking and could use a lot more shaping. So I'm going to get this back in the barrel with some more coarse grit. We're going to let it go for another week. So this is the yellow jasper after, a couple of weeks at least in course. And it's a super hard, resilient jasper here. So it's going to go in coarse some more because there's just lots of places that need some more work, some more smoothing. But this is looking super pretty. And yeah. So this is kind of like the onyx in that it just took a long time in course to be able to really get to a more finished state. But I love this golden color. It's really pretty. Just delicious. Yeah. That one's got red and gold. How pretty is that? All right, well, let me get this back in the barrel, add some more coarse grit, and keep it going. Here is the yellow jasper after several weeks in course, and it really needs more time in course. This is a really hard stone here. I mean, it is Mohs hardness 7, but really some of them are tougher than others. And you know, the yellow jasper's looking nice, but there's still lots of cracks and crevices that can be smoothed out and some pointier edges that can be ground down a little bit more. So this is a stone I just have to be patient with so that I get just the right result at the end that I'm happy with. But yeah, let's get this stuff cleaned up and get it back in course. All right, the Yellow Jasper has been in course, I think 5 weeks now. And I think it's really finally gotten to the place where I'm ready to move on. And the shape is really nice, really smooth. The vast majority of like the cracks and pits are gone. Some of the ones remaining are just character bits, like that one right there. But, oh man, look at this color. Like, I just love the variety in this. It kind of reminds me of a picture or desert jasper with just the lines and waves through it. But yeah, this golden jasper is now looking great. So I'm gonna give this an extra rinse off. Make sure I got all my coarse grit gone, and we'll put this in medium. Here is the Yellow Jasper after a week in medium grit, and you know, it's feeling fantastic. That surface is smooth and it's just looking lovely. You know, just where I wanted it to be at this point. And like, just really gorgeous. So I'm gonna get this washed up, do a wash cycle, and get this into fine grit for a week. And we are well on our way to polishing. Excellent. The Yellow Jasper has been in fine grit for a full week, and it is feeling like super duper smooth. I'm really looking forward to seeing these in polish, but they've got to spend a little time in extra fine. That's really my super secret step for getting a super shine, is just adding that stage of extra fine grit in there. It really gives the polish process a head start. Wow, look at this nice golden color. All right, let me get these in a wash cycle and then move it over to extra fine grit. Okay, here is the Yellow Jasper after a week in extra fine, and it is ready for polish. And I'm really excited because Jasper takes a high shine, and it'll look like this dry, this shiny. It's so gorgeous. And these pieces are really nice and smooth, but retaining some of their natural shape. And I'm hoping that I can get the Lavic siding jasper to get to a similar shape. Like, I wouldn't leave things like this in it, but I think this is part of the natural loveliness of it. But yeah, these are so gorgeous. All right, let me get these washed up. I'm going to put these through a really good wash cycle with soap and water, and to make sure that I get all of the grit residue off the stones and the media before it goes into polish. So let me get that started right now. Okay, we start the reveal time of the episode with Yellow Jasper, which has been in polish for 1 week. So I'm just grabbing one right out of the polish barrel, giving it a rinse in clean water, drying it off so we can see what it looks like completely dry. And look at that shine. Jasper never fails. It's, you know, the stone that consistently takes just the highest quality of shine. And with the high variety of color for jaspers. It's just a phenomenal stone to tumble. It does take a while because jasper is tough, and you know, it takes a long time in course, but it is well worth the wait. Wow, look at that. Look at that shine. And this is one of the red and yellow pieces. Stunning. All right. I'm going to get these all washed up and burnished, and then I will show you pictures of the finished product. Excellent. Thank you so much for joining me today to watch my journey while I polished Yellow Jasper. Again, this is a beginner level stone. I highly recommend starting with jasper if you're just starting out with rock tumbling. It does require some patience at the very beginning because it is a tough stone and does require you to keep it in course for several weeks until you get a shape that you really like and most all of the imperfections have been worn away off of the stone. But all the other subsequent stages are pretty quick, and you know, jasper does shine up so nice. Look at that flash. So if you are new to rock tumbling, I do have a Rock Tumbling 101 online course, and that's available in the description box below. I'll leave a link, and I show you all of the supplies that you'll need to get started, all about tumblers. I play videos of all of the stages so that you can successfully complete your first rock tumbling batch. And if you are an experienced rock tumbler and you'd like to see how I tumble a wide variety of gemstones or watch my rock tumbling weekly videos, then make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon.